Robotics is transforming the world of manufacturing at a breathtaking pace, revolutionizing how products are made and redefining entire industries. Why is this happening now, and what does it mean for the future? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects and technologies are explored in fascinating detail. Today, the focus is on robotics in manufacturing, a topic that blends cutting-edge innovation with real-world impact. From car factories to electronics assembly lines, robots are no longer just a sci-fi dream. They are the backbone of modern production. This video dives into their origins, their evolution, their cultural significance, and some surprising facts that will leave you amazed. The story of robotics in manufacturing begins in the mid-20th century. In 1961, the first industrial robot, called Unimate, was installed on a General Motors assembly line in New Jersey. This hulking machine, resembling a giant mechanical arm, is designed to handle dangerous tasks like welding and die casting. Unimate was a game-changer, proving that machines could perform repetitive, hazardous jobs with precision and reliability. The concept of automation was not entirely new. Early mechanized systems like the assembly lines pioneered by Henry Ford laid the groundwork. However, Unimate introduced programmability, allowing robots to adapt to different tasks. This sparked a revolution as industries realized the potential for increased efficiency and safety. Fast forward to today, and robotics in manufacturing has evolved dramatically. Modern robots are not just stronger and faster, they are smarter. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, robots can now make decisions, adapt to new tasks, and even collaborate with humans. These collaborative robots, or cobots, work side by side with factory workers, enhancing productivity without replacing jobs entirely. One major innovation is the rise of flexible automation. Unlike the rigid, single-task robots of the past, today's robots can switch between tasks with minimal reprogramming. For example, in electronics manufacturing, robots assemble tiny components with pinpoint accuracy, then seamlessly shift to packaging or quality control. This flexibility has made robotics accessible to smaller businesses, not just industrial giants. Another breakthrough is the integration of sensors and vision systems. Robots can now see their environment, detect defects, and adjust their actions in real time. In industries like aerospace, where precision is critical, this capability ensures flawless production. The global market for industrial robots is expected to reach $70 billion by 2028, a testament to their growing role. Robotics in manufacturing is more than just technology. It is reshaping economies and societies. In countries like Japan and Germany, where automation is heavily adopted, robots have boosted productivity while addressing labor shortages caused by aging populations. Japan alone has over 350,000 industrial robots in operation, the highest per capita in the world. However, this transformation is not without challenges. The fear of job displacement is real, as robots take over repetitive tasks. Yet, history shows that automation often creates new roles, from robot maintenance to programming. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, automation will create 12 million more jobs than it displaces. The key is reskilling workers to thrive in a robotic world. Culturally, robots have become symbols of progress and innovation. They appear in movies, inspire STEM education, and spark debates about the future of work. Manufacturing robots, in particular, embody humanity's quest to push boundaries, blending creativity with engineering. Here are some jaw-dropping facts about robotics in manufacturing. Did you know that the fastest industrial robot, the FANUC M2000IA, can lift over 2,300 pounds, equivalent to a small car? It is used in industries like automotive manufacturing to handle massive components with ease. Another surprising detail is that robots are now 3D printing entire products. In construction manufacturing, robotic arms extrude concrete to create building structures, reducing waste and construction time. This technology is even being tested to build habitats on Mars. Finally, robots are becoming eco-friendly. Energy-efficient designs and AI-driven optimization mean that modern robots consume less power than their predecessors. Some factories use solar-powered robots, aligning automation with sustainability goals. Robotics in manufacturing is a story of innovation, resilience, and transformation. From the pioneering Unimate to today's AI-powered cobots, robots have redefined how the world makes things. They have boosted efficiency, improved safety, and opened new possibilities for industries and workers alike. While challenges like job displacement remain, the potential for growth and creativity is limitless. The future of manufacturing is not just automated, it is smarter, greener, and more human than ever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into robotics, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Objectified for more fascinating stories about the objects and technologies shaping our world. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you think robots will shape the future of manufacturing? Thanks for watching Objectified. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video where another everyday marvel is explored. Until then, keep exploring the world around you.